Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Simple Trade with Patience. So are you ready to decode today's market action and stay one step ahead? Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, we've got all the insights you need to crush it in the markets. Today, as we cover Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Finnifty with key levels, trends, and actionable strategies, stay tuned with us because by the end of this video, you will have one strategy which will help you dominate the markets. Before we dive in, let's go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that you do not miss your daily dose of market wisdom from Simple Trade with Patience. A quick disclaimer before we proceed. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor before making any trading or investment decisions. As per SEBI, always trade responsibly and understand the risk involved in trading. So with this, let's go ahead and move on to Nifty. Now friends, on my screen, there is a chart of Nifty where you see Nifty has closed at 24,457.15, which is higher than its previous close of 24,276.05. Now, this is showing some bullish sentiment in the market and some bullish momentum in Nifty. Now, Nifty is trading over its 50 EMA, which is placed at 24,367.98, and 100 EMA, which is at 24,309.33. Now, this shows that the short-term to medium-term outlook looks positive and bullish. As long as the index holds about the 200 EMA, which is at 23,587.96, there is good momentum, and this could provide a long-term stability. So what we need to watch for is resistance 1, which is placed at 24,532. Resistance 2, which is at 24,608, and resistance 3, which is at 24,734. On the lower side, you can see support is being placed at 24,331, S2 at 24,205, and S3 at 24,130. Now, coming to our trading pattern, we can go ahead with trades above this area and look for targets at this level or this area. Also, you could look for reversal trades in this area. Now, this is, as mentioned in earlier videos, a no trading zone. So if at all you are trading, kindly trade with utmost caution. On the lower side, a break below this, you could go down till here or till here, depending on the situation. If there is a drop, then yes, you could look for a reversal trade. Now, coming back to our support and resistance, R1 would provide to be a strong resistance and a very important one. So if at all R1 has been taken out, yes, we could see momentum and a possible move up to 24,600, 700, 800 levels. On the lower side, support 1, which is at 24,331, would play an important role because you might see a pullback at this level. So with this, let's move on to Bank Nifty. As you see, Bank Nifty, which has closed at 52,695.75, is higher than its previous close of 52,109. Now, presently it is in our supply zone. It has been just below, the closing has been on the 15-minute time frame, just below our supply zone. So there is some bearish sentiment at these levels, and if this has been taken out, we could have bullish momentum continued in this index also. So Bank Nifty at the moment is trading above the 50 EMA at 51,629.68, above the 100 EMA, which is at 51,288.91, also above the long-term 200 EMA, which is at 50,087.93. Now, Bank Nifty trading above all these important EMAs suggests that it is in a solid upward momentum or a solid upward trend. So key levels to watch out would be R1 at 52,900. I'm just going ahead with round figures, 53,100, 53,500. These three strike prices would provide strong resistance. On the lower side, supports would be at 52,300, 52,000, 51,800. Now, once again, if you take a look at the levels where this is a no trade zone, you could probably look at reversals from this area or reversals from this area on the top side. Now, at all, if there is a breakthrough, you could go up for a target that would be first target and second target. On the lower side, if this is taken out, this would be your first target, and this would be your second and then third target. Now, look out for support 1, because support 1 usually is a crucial pullback area. Now, there is a small gap which needs to be filled. So you could expect Bank Nifty come down to support 2 and then take a pullback. But this could happen probably in the coming few sessions. So I hope you've made a note of all these levels. Now we will move on to Finnifty. Okay. Now, Finnifty, if you go ahead and take a look at it, it has closed at 24,296.55, a decent gain from previous close of 24,072.65. Now, Finnifty, again, like Bank Nifty, is above the 50 EMA, which is at 23,813.96, 100 EMA at 23,532.87, and 200 EMA at 22,793.87. Now, this is a strong foundation for long-term moves. So let's go ahead and note down the key levels. Resistance is placed at 24,400, 24,500, and 24,600. These are round figure levels. On the lower side, supports are being placed at 24,200, 24,000, and 23,000, 24,000 basically. So it's 24,000 would be a strong supportive area. And again, if you take a look at this, you could probably avoid this area because this could be a possible pullback zone, or with this gap involved, this could be a possible pullback zone from S2. Now, there is a supply zone. If this has been taken out and we have resistance 1 at that very area. So if this has been taken out, this would be your possible first target and your probable second target. On the lower side, break of this would lead to our possible first target and to our possible second and third target on the lower side. So what's the game plan for tomorrow? Nifty, watch out for a break above 24,532 or a retest to 24,331. That's your pullback trades. For Bank Nifty, a move above 52,912 could lead to possible higher targets. Keep an eye on 52,348 for pullbacks or support-driven trades. Nifty, on the other hand, a breakout above 24,383 or 24,400 could signal a strong rally, but keep in mind support is at 24,174 or the round figure 24,200. So the golden rule, always trade with proper risk reward ratio, use stop losses near key support levels to protect your capital, or trade with stop losses that should not pinch your pocket. So if you found today's insights valuable, show us some love by hitting the like button. Once again, do not forget to subscribe and turn that bell icon on so that you do not miss on any updates. Share it among your friends and families, and share it with people who need this information. Also, you can comment in the comment section if there is any other stock that you would like to analyze. I would be glad to help you with. This is Ruel Fernandez from Simple Trade with Patience.